Hello everyone, my name is Nusrat Jahan. I am assistant professor at NIMT Institute of Medical and Paramedical Science. So basically today I am telling you because I belong to physiotherapy department. I am assistant professor in physiotherapy department. I have completed my bachelor's and master's and pursuing my PhD. So I will be briefly giving you a brief idea about the physiotherapy course. So if you want to enroll in this course, which is Bachelor's of Physiotherapy, which is again a bachelor degree comprising of 4.5-year course including 6 months of internship, is a medical course where you actually learn how to assess the patient, how to diagnose the patient, and how you can physically treat those patients to actually relief from the to give the relief from the pain. So basically, right, and after onwards in physiotherapy, after bachelor's of physiotherapy, if you want to go for clinic as a clinician, as a physiotherapist, you want to work in hospital setup, definitely you can go for. If you want to open your clinic setup, definitely you are the licensed person who can open your clinic. So these are the career areas where you can establish yourself as a physiotherapist after bachelor's of physiotherapy, which is 4.5 years of course. So if you want to go in academic area, as like me, I'm working as an assistant professor, so you need to go for the Masters of Physiotherapy. Again, Masters of Physiotherapy is 2 years of a specialized course where you go for the specialization. So you can opt a specialization not only in pediatrics, sports, musculoskeletal, which is orthopedic, and there is again neurology. So these are the masters area where you can specialization is done by the Bachelor's of Physiotherapy student. Now onwards, you can go for the academic area. You can be a professor or assistant professor. You can establish yourself in a college. So after onwards, if you want to go for again something, you will be going for the PhD program, which is again it does not have a year accomplished, but definitely it is a philosophy degree where you will be establishing in an academic area. So now we are in an anatomy lab. So anatomy is a subject which give you a brief idea about how we are actually establishing our medical profession. So we will be going for the round of the anatomy lab, how it look like and what we will be reading in the whole anatomy or the 4 years of the course. So this is anatomy lab where you will be reading not only the musculoskeletal but all the skeletal, viscera, organs. These are the specialized area where you will be learning about. These are the bones, you will be going to see these things. These are the skeletal system. So you actually go for the skeletal system to read out, to know about the structures. You need to know about skin, heart, your endocrine, every system of the body you should know and make master yourself. So this is the musculoskeletal system. Again, this is the area where actually students learn and make their fundamental basics of the training program. So if you don't know about your body, if you don't know about how it functions, and if you don't know which organ, where it is placed and how it runs, you will be not able to treat your patient. So you need to learn all those things in the basics first year and second year, and again you can learn more and more subjects in whole 4.5 years. So this is all about physiotherapy. So if you want to enroll in physiotherapy program, you are most welcome to this institute. Thank you.